It's a different noise.
It is a different noise.
Beep.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, you want for this video? I'll do this.
If we're talking, I should just hold the camera. Okay.
Okay. Right. What are we doing today?
We are doing this unboxing, which is an anchor, a crochet kit, Little Red Riding Hood, and it is
Let's see what it contains. I don't have to break the box this time.
Well, you didn't have to break the box last time.
It opens like so. I'm stupid.
Oh.
Let's see what we've got. Oh, that's a bit better than the last one.
Oh, it is a bit, isn't it?
It's a bit better. It's not vacuum packed and it's not nice, but right, let's see.
Red.
Yeah. Got a red.
Of course.
Red and blue.
The dark grey.
Yeah, I wonder if they've got the wolf then, the grey.
Oh.
Might have the wolf in it. We don't know until we read it. This is fun.
It's a sort of tanny, light brownish, dark beige, yes. Yes,
I hope.
That's a blue-grey.
I'm making a mess again. Simple.
Yellow.
Yeah. I've got to put them on my finger now.
Weirdo brown.
Line them all up on my finger.
Green.
I'll put that right. Perfect. Topping. Do we have obviously ingredients and the instructions?
Instructions with little cracking, that's a hefty booklet.
Yeah.
There's some cotton again as well. Okay. This one. This one comes with both written instructions in several different languages.
Where's all the wool with that?
5 balls there. Intermediate level. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Comes in 9 different languages. It's also got.
Is one of them English?
Yes. They also got diagrams for the stitches as well. Like the one we did a week or so back.
So what does this
So you make Little Red Riding Hood, the grandmother, and the wolf. Oh, and the hunter. That's so cool.
Not bad at all, is it?
This one's got individual set of diagrams and I've got the instructions here. Again, it says 2.5mm hook.
Yeah,
Okay, so Little Red Riding Hood. Tension, it says 4cm diameter at the end of round 5 of the head.
yeah, well, that's not gonna.
Head, body, arms, legs and hair are worked separately and sewn together at the end. Yeah. Yeah, use sewing pins to check the position of the pieces before sewing them in place. The dress, apron and hood are removable. Okay.
Project, isn't it?
Yeah. So the head with pale pink. Start 60 on magic ring. Continue by working in spiral rounds, following chart 1A from round 2.
Oh, so you have to go to the
It's a combi. We did that one before.
Oh, with the Christmas pudding.
Yeah.
So stupid.
But I think I'll be better this time because I'm a bit more familiar. I'd never I don't know how to crochet, and I was struggling to read the diagrams. So I think I'll be better this time.
Right.
So, alright. So that is that one. Are you looking forward to this?
Yes,
Should be
interesting.
Alan, shouldn't it?
Well, yeah, and hair and
Yeah. Okay.
right.
Hopefully. Say bye.